Right, so today I've literally just bought my Bebop drone. This is a version number 2.1. I'm just about to test it out straight out the box just to see how it goes. Bebop 2 drone. Basically the Bebop 1 is slightly smaller, this one is slightly bigger, but the only difference mainly is the camera quality has been improved, and also the flight time, which has also been improved to 27 minutes. What you notice as well is I've chosen a very big open field. Currently just on takeoff mode, mid-air. It flies really well, it's very stable. The wind here today is mild south breeze wind. As you can see, it's very steady. Using the Wi-Fi only.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. We set out on a mission to find our inner peace, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being with you, sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it.
So this is the Bebop 2 drone, which I've just shown you in my video, flying over there just across the field. So my personal opinion on this is it's perfect for what I need it for. I purchased this just for intentions of taking it aboard with me, shuffling it in my backpack, and just using it for any sceneries, photos and videos basically. It measures around 39 to 32 centimeters. Taking the propellers off, that's going to reduce it down to around 28 to 25. So it's more than sufficient. The propellers itself comes off with a quick tool that you just attach on top and twist, and it just pops off. So, you know, it's perfectly easy to do. The sky controller itself is twice as big and twice as heavy, so I'll be leaving that at home. I'll just be taking my Android mobile phone basically and just using it off that. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to follow me just to see what I can get out of my Iceland events, then please do. Thank you very much.